Good evening.
Good evening, Tony. We want to ask, who are you supporting at ano inaabangan mo for tonight?
Siyempre si Sue, katropa ko yan eh. Ever since day one, sobrang supportive din sa akin. So sabi ko talaga, pupunta ako dito sa premiere night mo. And of course, si Kuya Rico rin. First time ko siya makikita umarte din. So I'm very excited for their talent.
So medyo nakakaiba yung plot natin ng Project Baby. Sue is just out there looking for a baby daddy, another option for the people who want a different plan in their life. Nung narinig mo yung plot na to, what was your first impression?
Wala ako, excited lang ako makita kung ano yung magiging performance nila kasi sobrang galing din ni Sue bilang artista, di ba? So, it's something fresh, it's something different. So, just looking forward to seeing this film.
Correct. And our theme tonight is a gender reveal. Yes! Team boy ka ba or team girl? Ano sa team mo?
Wow! My sister just gave birth to a boy, so I will be team boy.
Perfect! Okay. If you had to tell Sandy ano yung bet mo na pangalan for team boy, what would you suggest?
Antonio, second name ko.
Maganda.
Para same kami.
Okay, named after you pala.
Oo.
Ang yung anak nila.
Oo.
Okay, perfect. Donnie, thank you guys
Thank
so
you
much.
guys so much.
You may enter in Cinema 6. Donnie Pangilinan here with us for Project Baby Grand Premiere Night. This is out on June 10. Bukas na bukas po to in cinemas nationwide. You can also watch it here in Mega World. 180 pesos po yan. Here in NCR, except for Newport. And I also want to welcome Sir Patrick Ramirez here in the red carpet. Hi! Love the outfit! Slay! Ang ganda po na outfit ninyo. Hi! Patrick, join us here. Alright.
Hello, good evening po.
So Patrick, what are you looking forward to? Who are you supporting for tonight?
Actually, si Sue Ramirez po, my friend. Siyempre, full support po ako ngayon sa kanya.
Tapos nung narinig mo yung plot na ng Project Baby, ano naging first impression mo?
Well, interesting siya kasi nung napanood ko yung trailer, si Sue pala dito is naghahanap siya na
Baby Daddy.
yes. Pero walang commitment, right?
Correct. No love at all.
Very interesting siya kasi like paano nila ma-handle yung like yung feelings kasi parang napaka-imposible naman na hindi siya ma-attach sa isang guy.
Yeah.
Like, di ba, sobrang risky nung gagawin nila
Yeah, exactly.
project.
Exactly. As a girl, parang medyo kinakabahan ako for Sandy si Sue. So, medyo gender reveal yung theme natin for tonight. Tanungin lang kita if team boy or team girl ka.
Team Boy.
Team boy. Ano naman ang team boy?
Talaga?
Oo, medyo pumapatas na yung team girl at team boy. Ano yung magiging suggestion mo ng pangalan for Sandy?
Ano ba? Ako kasi personally, ang gusto kong name na magiging anak ko is Ian. So siguro Ian lang din.
Ian.
Ian.
Twinning sila. Thank you very much and I hope you enjoy the movie. You may step to the side for some photos and Mike goes over there. Cinema 6, ayan po. Thank you very much, Patrick, for joining us for tonight. Feel free po. Ayan po, Project Baby. Grand Premiere Night. Starring Sue Ramirez and Rico Blanco. Right here in Eastwood. Alright guys, nabalitaan ko na papasok na ang cast ng Project Baby! Magkinayo naman tayo dyan, Eastwood! Ayan guys, nandito na ang cast of Project Baby. Papasok na po sila dito sa ating cinema area. So let us welcome, of course, give them all the energy and give them all of the love as we start with Sir Keith Monteverde! Sir Keith Monteverde, thank you very much for joining us here for our Project Baby Grand Premiere Night.
Yes, thank you. Thank you everybody for coming out again. Felt like you were just here not that long ago for the media cons. I thank you again for coming out for the premiere night and supporting us. We're so excited to finally be able to show this movie tomorrow.
Alright, Sir Ricky, thank you very much and we'll see you in the cinema in just a bit. Ayan. Thank you very much. Now we move on to Miss Rosel Monteverde in just a bit. And of course, the cast is coming in right now. So we go on to Jaciel Salinas. Jaciel Salinas walking here for the Project Baby Grand Premiere Night. Jaciel, of course, in her first movie, ang ganda-ganda ng outfit ni Jaciel. Hi, Jaciel! Hello po everyone, it's nice to see you here po. Thank you so much, Jaciel. Dito po tayo sa side na to. Up next, we want to welcome Dan Perez! And up next is Jay Arias! Of course, we have Charul! Hello, hello! Checo Apostol as well is here with us. Christian T will be walking the red carpet as well. Kim Santan. Let's move here a bit, guys. Let's move here. Ayan. Yasser Marta, here with us in the red carpet. Ara San Agustin joins us as well. We also want to acknowledge Matt Lozana and Miss Alice Dixon, although they would love to join us here in the Grand Premiere Night. They send their love and their best wishes to... We also want to welcome Derek Eric Kizon! And acknowledging Derek Joey Reyes, of course, the writer of Project Baby. Derek, let's stay in the middle, ayan. And of course, the stars of Project Baby! Make some noise for Rico Blanco and Sir Ramirez! Okay, dito po tayo sa gitna, ayan. Quick photo with the media, with all of our stars. Let's just squeeze in, guys, para kita tayong lahat. Project Baby Grand Premiere Night. Let's all welcome the cast right here in Eastwood, the cinema area. Tonight, malalaman natin if it is a boy or it is a girl, or if naging successful nga ba ang Project Baby. Let's all face here as well para makita tayo ng cameras here. Okay, thank you guys so much. So, to all of our media friends, of course, syempre gusto natin malaman how excited you guys are. We want to start with Derek, syempre. Derek, please welcome all of our media friends, everybody who came here, and what we can expect as well.
Good evening everyone. Bakit mo parating tinatanong yung ang may expect nila sa movie? You know what? Ako, basta sasabihin ko sa inyo, pag pumasok kayo doon, just sit down, relax, and enjoy the movie. Kasi pinapangako ko na pag tatapos ng pelikula, uuwi kayo na ingiti sa inyong mga part. Yun lang.
Looking forward to the warmth and the love of Project Baby. We're very excited to feel that as well. Dito naman tayo for Sue and Rico.
Hello, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Finally, actually, we're so excited for all of you to watch it. Ako din excited. Ako lang yata si Derek and Rico, hindi pa nakapanood. So, kinakabahan ako, pero more excited and really excited to watch it. And I'm excited for everyone to see it as well. Sana po mapasaya namin kayo tonight and help us spread the word about this beautiful Project Baby.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining us here tonight. Katulad nila Direk Eric and Sue at lahat ng mga kasama namin dito. I'm so excited for all of you actually to experience this movie. Ibang feeling ang nabibigay niya. You're all gonna enjoy it. Thank you.